Good morning, everyone. My name is Dr. Abid. Today, in this class, we are going to discuss the most important and interesting topic of Indian geography. Yes, in this class, we will discuss Northern Plains. Northern Plains. As we know that, Northern Plains is a part of the Indian physiographic region. There are three physiographic regions in India. First is Himalaya. Second is plains, which are we are going to deal, and third is peninsula. Third one is peninsula. So in this class, we will try to discuss the plains of India, northern plains. As we know that we have our largest alluvial tract in the world. It is stretched from Potwar Basin to Brahmaputra Valley. It stretches from Potwar Basin to Brahmaputra Valley. We'll try to understand through maps. Look. As we know that Himalaya are in the arc shape. Himalaya is in the arc shape, and northern plain is completely situated in the southern part of the Himalaya. Southern part of the Himalaya. Okay, so this is the basic region from Potwar Basin. From Potwar Basin to, right now I'm here writing Potwar Basin to Brahmaputra Valley or Assam Valley. Assam Valley. It is almost from Potwar Basin to Assam Valley, almost 350 kilometer long. And when we talk about the Indian plain area, only Indian plain, it almost stretches from the boundary, Bharat-Pakistan boundary, to Assam Valley, almost 2400 kilometer. Means 2400 kilometer it stretches from. So when we talk about this is largest plain area in the world, so we found that there are mainly three rivers which originate from the Himalayan side. The first is Indus river system, and another is that Ganga river system, and third one is then Brahmaputra river system. So these three rivers are creating the world largest alluvial tract in the world. When we talk about the Indus river system, so it has a number of rivers like Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Vyas, Satluj. And on the other hand, when we talk about the Ganga river system, so it has a number of tributaries like Ram Ganga, Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, Mahananda. And on the other side, when we talk about the Brahmaputra river, so it has also number of tributaries like Kaming, Dhaka, Tista, Redik, Jal Dhaka. These are number of rivers. So they created the world largest alluvial tract. So right now, just we try to understand that these three rivers created the world largest alluvial tract in the world, most extensive depositional floodplain area. And what kind of classification has been done to understand the world largest alluvial tract? This is the Ganga river system. I'm going to write this is the Ganga river system, and this is the Brahma river system. Exactly. So right now, just we will try to understand some important points. First is the Gangetic plain area. Gangetic plain area. Okay, and another is that this plain area has been categorized as a Trans-Ganga plain, Trans-Ganga plains, and the Brahmaputra river systems created the Assam plain. What is Assam plain areas? So majorly right now we have three names. The middle part is called the Gangetic plain area, and extremely eastern side is called the Assam plain area, and extremely western side is called the Trans-Ganga plains. So means on the other side, just we'll try to explain and we'll try to explore some important stuffs from that side. When we talk about the Trans-Ganga plain area, it is completely some parts lying in the Pakistan and some parts lying in the India. For example, in Pakistan, just we can say that this part is known the North Punjab plain area, and North Punjab plain area, ठीक है, in the southern part it is called the Sindh plain area. Sindh plain. What is Sindh plain? So Sindh plain is completely lying the western side of Aravalli. Western side of Aravalli. This is the part of, ठीक है, Trans-Gangetic plain. And on the other side, when we talk about the Indian conditions, so North Punjab, Punjab plain. So Punjab has a two plain areas. The first is lying in India, that is called the Punjab plain area, and on the other side, which is situated in the Pakistan, is called the North Punjab plain area. And below the south of North Punjab plain area, Sindh plains is located. And mainly we can say then the western part of the Aravalli, it is located. When we talk about the Sindh plain area, the Sindh plain area is located in the western side of the Aravalli, and in the eastern side of Aravalli hills, the Rajasthan plain also located. Rajasthan plain area. So there are four important plain areas which is located in the Trans-Ganga plain. The first is North Punjab plain area, second is North Punjab plain area in India, and second is Sindh plain, and another is Rajasthan plain area. So though two important parts, North Punjab plain and Rajasthan plain area is located in the India, and another North Punjab plain area and Sindh plains is located in the Pakistani area nearby the Indus River system. Okay, so mainly when we talk about the Indian condition sites, North Punjab, so there are three important rivers which created this beautiful plain area. First is Bist, yani Bias, Ravi, and Satluj. ठीक है, these three rivers created this beautiful, particularly Indian conditions I am talking about, created the beautiful plain area. So Bias, Ravi, and Satluj. But on the other side, when we talk about the Gangetic plain area, it has multiple names. It has multiple names, a multiple classification. Like when we talk about the Gangetic plain, we found that there are three major classification. First is Upper Ganga plain, Middle Ganga plain, and Lower Ganga plain area. The Gangetic plain area, which is located north of Ganga up to Shivalik, from Shivalik to North Ganga, and it has been classified in three parts: Upper Ganga plain, Middle Ganga plain, and Lower Ganga plain. So later on we'll discuss all the classification. And on the other side, this is the Assam plain area, which is very narrower than compared to western side, Trans-Ganga plain. It is very narrow. Why I'm saying that? Because it has very maximum width, almost 400 to 500 kilometer, and it is a very less width, almost 100 to 150 kilometer. 100 to 150 kilometer. So these are the major classification, and it varies from place to places. So how it originated, the largest alluvial tract, there are number of theories, and some scholars says that time there was a Indo-Brahma river. The Indo-Brahma river, later on that river was dismembered and created the three major river systems. First is Indus, second is Ganga, third one is Brahmaputra river system, and they created, with the help of its tributaries, were largest alluvial tract. Number of theories. Please make a heading: longitudinal zonation of Gangetic plain. I'm going to make another diagram for you. It's a very important to understand through diagram. Let's start. west to east. So later on, right now, we are going to discuss the longitudinal zonation of Gangetic Plain area, which start from the Bhabar region, Bhabar, and Tarai region, Bangar, and Khadar, and this is the river basin, and this one is the escarpment of, another word we can say, this is the Vidyan escarpment. ठीक? From right here from Shivalik to North Ganga. So mainly this Gangetic Plain area is stretches from the Shivalik Himalaya to North Ganga. It has another three parts. First is Upper Ganga. Recently we talked Upper Ganga. Second is Middle Ganga. Second is Middle Ganga. And third one is Lower Ganga Plain area. When we talk about the middle part of Ganga Plain area, we found that it is also known Awadh Plain area. And mainly the middle part, which is also known the Awadh Plain area, it has a number of rivers. It has a number of rivers like Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi. Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi form the Awadh Plain. Awadh Plain. Actually, this Awadh Plain is stretches from till the border of Bihar and West Bengal. It stretches from the Bihar and West Bengal. Exactly. And on the other side, when we talk about the stretches Lower Ganga is mainly lying. Lower Ganga mainly lying in West Bengal and Bangladesh. Mainly lying in West Bengal and Bangladesh. Exactly. So these are the important regions, just we have to understand. Okay, so this is the important diagram for you that try to understand that what kind of physiographic region, what kind of topography is there. So Bhabar has a number of stones. Bhabar has a number of stones, and these all stones are in round shape. These all are in round shape. When we talk about the Tarai region, the Tarai region has become a very, very important for us. Why? Because their region, the Tarai is a region where rivers surface out. Region of bad drainage, waterlogging problem, these are the specific features of Tarai region. And traditionally, this Tarai region is a belt of sal tree. Recently, all trees has been cut and converted into the agricultural land, and number of things are happening in the Tarai region. And on the other side, that Bangar and Khadar, these are the proper floodplain area. Khadar is a younger and Bangar is a older. Found that Bhabar, which has a round shape of stone, Tarai, which is very popular for sal tree. Now all trees has been cut and converted into the agricultural land. Bangar and Khadar, these two are properly floodplain area. Khadar is younger than Bangar, and Khadar is very close to the river valley. When we talk about the Upper Ganga Plain, predominantly there are only one river, that is Ram Ganga. That is Ram Ganga river. When we talk about the Upper Ganga Plain area, so there is only one river, that is Ram Ganga. Ram Ganga is a very near to the Tarai region. It is very near to the Tarai region. Maximum is a drier. And when we talk about the Lower Ganga Plain area, basically the most wettest part of Ganga, the Ganga plain, the most wettest part of the Ganga plain. The most important thing is that now just let's talk about the Assam. Let's talk about the Assam plain area. When we talk about the Assam plain area, let's try to understand through map. Okay, let's start. As we know that this is the Brahmaputra river originating from the Himalayan side and entering India through the Arunachal Pradesh. Basically, this narrow part is known Assam plain area. This is the most narrowest part. Why I'm saying? Because this narrow plain area is covered by number of hills, like peninsular hills like Garo, Khasi, Jayantia, Mikir, Bril, and some kind of also Purvanchal hills like Naga, Mikir, Naga, Manipur, Mizo hills. And on the other side, some kind of Shimalik Himalayan ranges like Dafla, Abhor, Mishmi, Dafla, Abhor, Mishmi, these are important regions. So this basically, this floodplain area is covered by the Himalayan ranges, Purvanchal hills and peninsular hills, and basically this stretch is called the Assam plain area, directly entered to the Bangladesh. So and why this is the most flood prone area? Why? There is no doubt, because the volume of water is high. Volume of water is very high, and siltation is high. And there are number of names in the northern plain area like Bhabar, Kaos, Wetland, Bagar, Ruhi, Palaya, Run, Dhan, Dhur, Rohilla Khand, Tal, Bhil, Barin, Roor, Don, Dhyas. These are the number of nicknames which is located in the different part of the Ganga plain area. So right now we discuss the northern plain area, and it has major three classification. First is trans Ganga plain area, and another is a middle Ganga या कह सकते हैं Gangetic plain area, and eastern side is covered by the Assam plain area.